Hi, my name is Yuri Rojas. I studied business administration. Expectation of the futures and hopes. At this moment, I am studying business administration. Then I am going to do my master's degree in this career and I will travel the world. One of the first continents that I will meet in my travel is the European continent to learn about its customs and cultures. I will also take many forums. I am going to create a company of beauty products for women, since it's a very important area within society. With this, I will create a house. I am going to live in another country to have more opportunities in my life and to grow professionally. I will do this together with my daughter. Work in real estate. Since it is a profitable business and that I will guide me financial freedom in the future. 10.